Hello scrapbookers, this is Megan and I am back today with my second layout in this fun little pocket page series that I'm going to be running this month every few days on my YouTube channel. So first up here, you're gonna see me cut up a few pieces of paper, and I'm going to pull out all of my photos and take them off of the pocket page. There's just too much of a glare to keep the pocket page on my desk. So I'm going to pull those all out and set that aside. And then I'm going to get to work. And this pocket page transforms into something even I didn't think it was going to. I'm trying to use up a bunch of scraps from one of my October page kits. This is using an old My Mind's Eye collection, and I really love these papers, and it works out so well using these papers. So at first I'm thinking that photo of Max, I'm going to use this heart paper because of course we love Max, so why not? It just doesn't look right. So I'm going to keep trying. It's not going to work and I'm going to end up switching it out in a little bit. But it's going to take me a bit to try to make it work. Don't you love it when you do that? You try to make something work no matter how much it's definitely not working. So I really like those two scrap pieces of paper behind the photo. One is actually not a scrap. One is a 3x4 card that was in the kit that I was using, the page kit. And then I decided to use this circle pattern paper, and I am inking the edges with my Close to My Heart Lagoon ink. And then I'm going to glue all of these pieces of paper down. And if you have been following me for a while, you know that I kind of skip around and I don't stick with one card at a time. I kind of jump from card to card, just kind of based on what I'm feeling. So I'm going to work on this card a little bit and then skip to another one. Here I'm just adding a few embellishments to that card about Max, and I did know the day that it happened, and I happened to have a day chipboard piece, so that worked out perfect. Now here I am cutting down these two photos of Tinian. This was his birthday. This was actually Brennan's birthday, which is on July 25th. Tinian's birthday is 2 days later, but we decided to do a little friend get together for both of them on Brennan's birthday because we were going to be going out of town on the 26th and we weren't going to be in town for Tinian's birthday, so we did it early. And it was just so much easier to do them both on the same day. So we just had them both invite just a couple of friends over, do cupcakes and presents, and they just played outside, honestly. It was summertime, so they were able to just do whatever they wanted. They grabbed all the guns, they grabbed all the swords, and they spent like 2 or 3 hours just playing outside. And it was the best thing ever. We didn't do anything fancy, no games, no nothing. That's just, I'm just not the perfect birthday mom. And I never have been. I've tried so many times when my kids were young. It just didn't work. So now I'm going to glue down this photo, or these two photos, and I'm adding these cute little hearts in the top corner and then also in the bottom corner here. And I'm also going to add this half of a tag to do some journaling. And it's just going to be simple journaling about, Tinian laughing and having fun with his friends while eating cupcakes. Okay, now I'm going to move on to that top card and I am going to start embellishing. I pulled out a phrase piece of ephemera, and then also at that bottom card with Tinian and his friends eating cupcakes, I put the word adore. It was a chipboard piece. And then I'm going to bounce back up to Max's little card there and add the the chipboard embellishments. I'm going to pull out one of the tile alphas that I had in this page kit. It's an off-whitish tile letter alpha with pink letters on it. And I'm just going to write a new haircut for Maxi Waxy. That's kind of a funny name I like to call him just because it sounds silly. Mark thinks it's dumb, that's fine. That was the purpose of it. Now I'm adding this cute little banner up there on that photo of Brennan. It just says this on it. So I'm going to pull out my handy dandy tile alphas and just write the word love. And that works out perfect. So now I'm going to start gluing down everything that's on this card so far, and I'm inking the edges on everything as well using my Close to My Heart ink. And I really like how that is turning out. I keep this card super basic, very plain, and that's what I've found works really well for me as I'm trying to catch up on project life and my old albums, is keeping my pocket pages simple, not making them absolutely perfect, and just putting lots of photos and sticker phrases are one thing that I absolutely love right now too. Okay, now I'm starting to work on the title card. So I have had that macaron or macaroon that's on that bottom left-hand card with that heart. I've had that in my stash for a long time. So since they were eating dessert, I figured a macaroon or macaron, I don't know what the difference is between the two words, was the perfect little embellishment piece to add to this this card. So the title is just going to be Cupcake Time with Friends. And I'm using a super old Amy Tangerine Alpha. I don't even know what year that's from. Probably like 2015, 14, something like that. And that is going to finish off that card right there. I did need to use my Tombow Mono glue to glue down those chipboard alphas, but that's okay. We're all used to that, right? Okay, now I am trying to add just a few embellishments and sequins and just fun stickers and phrases and things to these 4 middle cards. And then that is going to be the end of this layout. I hope that you enjoyed seeing this simple process. It's not perfect, but the memory is scrapped, and it makes me really, really happy to see these fun photos of Tinian and Brennan with their friends and just enjoying their birthday. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you will come back in a couple days to see another pocket page. Bye!